Hello! Today I'm going to teach you the traditional song, West African song that called orodara sidiki. This song I learned in Burkina Faso when I was living there, and now I'm going to show you the first accompany of this song. It goes like this. First note is number 1. Then second is number 4, and third, number 6, with the finger. 1, 4, 6. We continue. Number 2, then number 5, and number 6 again. So we have 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 6. Between 5 and 6 we have a small distance. 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 6. This is the first part. Second part goes like this. Now 3, 3, 6, 5, 2, 5, 6. Three, 3, 6, 5, 2, 5, 6. Now we join them together. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.